My name's Abigail Bassett, and I'm a student in aircraft maintenance and technology at ISU. One of the great things about this program is it helps you get your A&P license. You can move on in your career. You can go commercial, private, a bunch of different industries. It really gets your foot into the door so you can just start off on the right foot. ISU's got a really good success rate. Everything that I've done, everyone I've talked to says that the job rate right after is very high. It's almost impossible not to get a job because of demand for the field. So the schedule looks like a Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. The first half is usually your book work, your textbook, learning some more things, trying to get a base knowledge, and then the second half turns into more of a hands-on, starting to actually work on the aircraft in your first year. Very cool experience to be able to apply what you're learning straight into what you're doing right after. This is a really good step to get your foot in the door. You can do fabrication, overhauling, building, repairs in general. You've got a team with you at all times, so you're never by yourself. It's a really good way to start working on aircraft and just start a career that you can advance in very quickly.